Welcome to my final morning report chart appraisal on Wednesday the 15th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Looking at gold, and the technicals on gold are beginning to look a little bit tired near term. I've talked about this sort of potential rolling over of this rally. I've been looking out for what I see as just the fact that I think this is going to be a continued range play in the coming weeks. And I think this rally is beginning to lose steam. Look at the stochastics beginning to roll over. RSI beginning to roll over again in the mid-60s, exactly the point at which it fell over in April-May in that rally. You certainly wouldn't say that the MACD lines are sort of reflective of a market that's about to sort of break strongly higher. You look at the hourly RSI which is continuing to bearishly diverge. MACD lines on the hourly as well, not looking positive, just rolling over again. That came at a new high, 1289.80. But again, look at where the MACD lines were there. You could argue also that stochastics are showing a bit of a bearish divergence or negative divergence as well. So these are all suggesting to me that beginnings of a possible rolling over. The 55-hour moving average has been a pretty decent sort of basis of support. It's now coming under a bit of a test now, this red line. I think if you broke below that, you'd then be looking at 1276 figure, which is yesterday's low. If you broke below that, I think that would be the start of a corrective phase. So that is your key level to watch near term. Obviously, we've got the Fed coming out this evening, so lots of volatility expected with the Fed. Gold does move around quite strongly on the Fed, and that is likely to be again the case today. So especially after this run higher of sort of, well, from the 12 figure level to 1290 in just over 2 weeks. So lots of gains that we've had, which could well be unwound to a certain extent by any sort of Fed move that's relatively hawkish. Although obviously the market is not especially expecting a hawkish move, but it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out. But certainly the technicals are suggesting a little bit of sort of waning momentum in this rally now, and it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out. It could just be a consolidation in front of the Fed, but with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.